enjoy so much, Mario. I don't do much writing these days, just making introductory remarks and closing remarks. Mario will allow me to tell the short conversation we had a while ago, because I said, I asked him, well, Mario, who will present? Is it you or Amilu? Sabi ni Mario, si Amilu. Kasi retired na tayo eh. I really noticed that when one is about to retire, in that case, myself, I find myself co-authoring papers. Sometimes I'm the junior author these days, no longer the senior author. Then kami ni Mario, we started writing papers on our own. And then nag-co-author kami dalawa a few times. Minsan siya junior, minsan ako senior, balik that. Now we're back. Full cycle. Now this afternoon we have the pleasure of hearing from Mario and Amilu, this paper that they did for the USA. But before I go on with the introduction, allow me to welcome all of you to the PIDS Research Seminar. This is halfway na, here, no? And this is about what? Pangilan ito? Sheila? Pangilang seminars na for this year?
For this year, I think third or fourth.
More, and then there will be a few more coming down the road. So we always welcome this kind of opportunity to present to the public the result of research done by fellows, by PIDS researchers, and as well by outside analysts. But in this case, Mario cannot be considered an outside analyst because, as you know, he was formerly PIDS president. I was his vice president a long time ago. Mario was president, but he moved on to ATBI and stayed there in Tokyo for a while. And also from there, now he's working with USA, but maybe Sheila will do the introduction later, no longer myself. My purpose is just to try to capture in a few words what we would experience and what we would do this afternoon, and that is to look at rather here the presentation of Mario regarding his examination of the role and contribution of the financial services sector in the economy. And he also tried to assess the country's commitments on the financial services sector under the ASEAN Framework Agreement on Services. But quite a big task. We know that we are in the eve of establishing an ASEAN economic community, and certainly the financial services sector is a very important and critical sector in that AEC, and the more we try to understand it, the better it will be for us. And to some extent, he will analyze the Philippine financial services sector's competitiveness vis-a-vis those of other ASEAN member states. So, as he notes in his paper, financial intermediation in the Philippines is the lowest in the region. The penetration of insurance is quite small relative to other ASEAN countries. Insurance density is small. Philippines market capitalization is almost on par as that of Thailand, but then it has the smallest number of listed firms among the member countries of the ASEAN. Now, what led us to this kind of situation where the Philippines is lag behind other ASEAN countries in these various indicators? Maybe Mario and Amilu would have some thoughts on this. And in the ensuing open forum, we hope to invite you to interact with Mario. Dr. Dakila of BSP is here. We have a number of other people, experts in the financial services. I think the afternoon is made for us really to, and of course the DBP is here. It's really cut out for us to hear Mario and Amilu about the recent work. When he approached us and asked us whether we would be happy to host this seminar, we readily agreed because of the importance of the subject, the expectation that we'll be able to trigger a good discussion and put this in the public domain, but as well because it's some sort of mini homecoming for Mario, who, as I said, was PIDS president 2 years ago. With this, let me welcome you to this afternoon's forum.